Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand its story to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular in working more hard for you. So friends, here you can see a daily chart of natural gas futures. So here I find that the natural gas futures could find a strong support at the levels of $2.598 in case of a downward move on the first trading session of the upcoming week. Friends, here I find that Friday's closing of natural gas futures shows that the natural gas futures could remain in a very volatile state during the upcoming week. So friends, here I find that the natural gas futures could continue to face stiff resistance between the levels of $2.752 to $2.878. So friends, here I find that if futures continue to sustain above the levels of $2.713, we will see the S&P futures could test the next resistance at the levels of $2.904 during the upcoming week. We'll see that futures could try to sustain these levels, but on the downside, futures could immediate support at the levels of $2.627, and the second support will be seen at the levels of $2.598, and the third support will be at the levels of $2.512. Friends, here I find that the upper end of Ichimoku cloud will be the final support for natural gas futures, from where we will see the natural gas futures will provide a good opportunity to go long from these levels. So friends, here I find that if the natural gas futures test the lows of $2.468 during the upcoming week, this will be a good opportunity to go long for a target up to the levels of $2.9. So during the upcoming week, we'll see the natural gas futures could remain very volatile. So here I find that the natural gas futures could test the lows of $2.4. In case of a downward move, the natural gas futures could find a strong support at the levels of $2.421, and on the upper side, the natural gas futures will try to sustain above the levels of $2.9. If the natural gas futures could sustain above the levels of $2.948, we'll see the natural gas futures could test the levels of $3 during the upcoming week. Friends, here I find that the BS will not dare to short at the levels of $2.5, because during the upcoming month, we'll see the natural gas futures could test the new highs. During the month of November, we will see the natural gas futures could test the highs of $3.5, where a sustained move above the levels of $3.5. We will find the natural gas futures could try to test the levels of $4 during the month of November. So friends, here you can see that the current position of moving averages, that here after a bullish crossover of 200 days exponential moving average during the month of August, the natural gas futures continued to show strong moves after this bullish crossover, and here you can see that all these moving averages are still showing that the bullish trend is still intact. And secondly, the natural gas futures have been constantly sustaining well above the Ichimoku cloud in the daily time frame. So this ensures the continuity of an uptrend in natural gas futures, where the immediate support could be seen at the levels of $2.598, and the second support will be at the levels of $2.499, and the third support will be provided at the upper end of Ichimoku cloud. But the overall trend could remain very volatile, but no doubt that the natural gas futures could try to test new highs during the upcoming weeks. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.